In this video, we are going to see how we can use the bullet points in Google Docs so that you can format some of the steps shown as bullet points or dotted bullet points. You want to show it as a couple of steps that should be shown as numbers or whatever thing you want to achieve. What you can do is just select the whole document, or even if you don't select it, just click on the format, and here you can see bullets and numbering. So here are the numbered menus and here are the bullet list menus, and we have different kind of bullets. We have the boxes style, we have this arrow style, and we have this simple dot style. So click on the simple dots and you will see wherever the cursor is set, it will only convert that point into a bullet point. So what we have to do is just select the all points and click on format, then go to bullet numbering and then select whatever bullet point you want. So click on that and it will be converted right away. So let's say the first needs to be reformatted. So what you can do is just press backspace and then press forward again. So it will be inserted as a bullet point. Similarly, if you want to convert all of this into numbers, let's say, so we select them all again, click on format, click on bullet and numbering, and here you can set it to numbers. And that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.